Introducing the Saramonic SR-VM4, a professional battery-powered on-camera SuperCardioid shotgun microphone, designed for advancing content creators looking to take their audio to a higher level. The SR-VM4 is an ideal choice for DSLR, mirrorless, and video camera shooters who need the sound and performance of a real shotgun microphone. It features a full-sized 5.5-inch interference tube that delivers the wider frequency response of a professional XLR shotgun microphone, but at a small fraction of the price and with a 3.5mm output. Its SuperCardioid polar pattern provides focused directionality and excellent off-axis rejection of audio from sides and rear, giving you focused sound on your subject and not the environment around them. Hey guys, today we're going to be reviewing film cameras. I for one am very happy to see that they're making a huge resurgence. The SR-VM4 also features a useful array of audio controls that allow you to easily get optimum sound. It features a 3-stage gain control with a plus 20 decibel boost switch for achieving ultra-clean gain on cameras with noisy preamps, 0 decibel for high-quality preamps, and negative 10 decibel pad for cleanly capturing loud sounds without distortion. A 75Hz high-pass filter that eliminates low-frequency noise and rumble caused by HVAC systems, wind, or footsteps that can ruin a recording. Powered by 2 AA batteries, it gives you up to 720 hours of runtime and has a power-on and low battery LED indicator. Built with durable ABS construction, the SR-VM4 is rugged, but at less than 5 ounces, it's also extremely lightweight. An integrated shock mount isolates it from unwanted vibration noise when in motion, and includes a camera shoe mount with metal 1/4-20 thread, allowing you to easily mount it to cameras, boom poles, stands, and more with ease. Whether you are filming indoors or outdoors, the SR-VM4 is ready. Both a foam windscreen and a furry windshield are included, allowing you to film with confidence wherever your run-and-gun adventures may take you. The Saramonic SR-VM4 is the full-sized and full-featured on-camera shotgun microphone you've been searching for, all for a really remarkable price.